Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials: Hotspot active and Data Saver enabled. First, turn on your phone's hotspot, then connect the other device by Wi-Fi or USB. Once connected, open Settings, go to Network or Connections, and enable Data Saver so background use is limited. Make sure to permit the Hotspot app to override Saver if prompted. This allows essential traffic through. You're already reducing needless data. Now proceed to optimize which apps can use the connection. Once done with basics, review app-level permissions. Go to each heavy app and restrict background data so updates don't run while tethered. Then decide which apps must work. Whitelist only those essential ones to bypass data saver, messaging, navigation, or remote work tools. Next, tighten hotspot settings. Cap devices, reduce beacon frequency, and choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. These steps cut usage at the source, so your data lasts longer without killing functionality. To finish, watch real-time data usage so you catch surges early. Use the built-in meter or your carrier app. If performance lags, switch Wi-Fi band, restart the hotspot, or kick off non-essential devices. Once done, set usage alerts and a soft cap to prevent surprises. If something breaks, toggle Data Saver off and on, restart both devices, and reauthorize the hotspot. That fixes most auth and routing glitches. Remember, small adjustments now save big data later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.